impossible for many reasons.
Impossible.
For many reasons. Because, one, they are like so hard. Two, you can move around the stickers. And if it's an old Rubik's Cube like mine, you don't know if the stickers are moved around. And three, you don't know if people took out the cube and moved it around. And
No, you're still in. I was trying to catch
it's impossible!
Impossible! Impossible!
You heard it here, folks. Rubik's Cubes are
2 seconds.
impossible.
Start.
You have one for sticks.
Guys, does anybody want anything from Burger King?
Whopper!
Raquel, you want a Whopper? What do you want, Rocco?
French fries and chicken.
A Rubik's Cube, it's
Chicken
impossible!
French fries, he said.
Do you think it's hard to solve a Rubik's Cube? I'm telling you, all the videos, they don't work. And I wish I could help you guys out, but I don't know how to solve it. I want to show you how to solve one side, which I just learned today.
It doesn't matter.
Actually, I also have a few tricks for you that I saw, and they could help you actually solve the entire thing if you're smarter than me. So, the middle pieces, they never move. The green stays where the green is, the yellow will stay where the yellow is, the white will stay. When I was watching one of the videos, it said that the blue side is opposite from the green side. Mine are not. So if this is my blue side, my green side would be here. And they also said that the white side should be where the yellow side is. So that could mean that this is a default Rubik's Cube. Default. And, I mean, it's like 40 years old. Maybe they've changed them now, but... and you can actually rip off the pieces when you take it and you turn it diagonal like this. You can just easily rip them off. This is an old Rubik's Cube, and the more you rip them off to look cool to solve it, the more easily they break. So, kind of why. This one's really old, so that's kind of why I don't want to do that. Yeah, okay, now how to solve a side. I'm going to solve the white side. It's a pretty lucky side for me, so I'm going to go ahead and solve it. The way you can tell which side is actually meant to be a certain color is of the middle piece, because the middle piece never moves. So, just because I have 2 of them on here, I want to solve the white on this side. I can't do that, because no matter what I do, no matter how much I solve, no matter what I do, this is always gonna be red. So, if I want to do white, gotta do this white. Also, the side that's facing you, really it's facing you though, it's called the front. It can go clockwise and counterclockwise. There's the left side and the right side. There's an up and there's a down. Voila. Now, let's get to work. So to solve my white side, I need a piece. I want to choose a piece, and I want these 2 to come over here. I want to shift that, but then if I put this here, I'd kind of be knocking this one out of the way. So I have to get it out of the way somehow. I have to switch my middle piece for a second. Hang on, like this. It moves. Did I do it? I think I did it wrong. I did. So. There. It's gone. So then I just take this piece.
A lot of stuff going through half these boxes with my grandparents.
And then
I'm organized.
I want to get it back. So where is that? It's right here. I want to get it back here. So then I want to get this piece here. Right next to it. I want to get that piece there. So I have to move the middle out of the way and bring it in.
Is this a trick?
Nope, I'm down here. You won today.
And then shift
You
down.
win.
So then all I have is 4 more pieces to solve on this side. But the thing is, if I showed you how to solve one side, you can't solve the other sides with just that trick. Only because you have to flip and mess up the other sides.
Yep.
It's hard. And I should know. I should know.
I should know too.
Dave, do you want anything from Burger King? I'm sorry.
No thanks.
You know, I'm sorry. I forgot to ask. You sure I can still call? Lord Dave, you sure I can still call?
Thanks.
Now, wish gets work.
Dave.
So then,
Please play still.
I
No,
want to
you
figure
and
out
Rocco.
what I should get here. But really,
groceries in
if
the
there's
car that
nothing
I have
on
to
this
get to
side
the
except this
refrigerator.
one, I don't know if that's going to work. So we can try it out and shift. Shift things around a little bit. Shift it around, la la la. But I had a piece here. It moved on me. And I can't put it here because it's kind of close, but I can't put it here unless I took it out and like put it back in. But that's cheating for the Rubik's Cube.
That'd be cheating. We don't cheat.
No cheating. No cheating. So we have to get.
Pay someone to do it.
I wish. Get this side here.
Yep.
Now this is a challenge.
Popular?
So
Aren't they already popular?
No.
Oh, they're not already popular.
Play time with me.
then I want to take it.
But then all my groceries will go down. I won't have anything to eat, and then I'll be tired, and I won't be able to play tag next time because I'll be so hungry.
I know a place to I moved to the city in a broke down car. 4 years no pass. Now I'm looking pretty in a hotel bar. And I can't stop. Stop the song because I sing horribly. Okay. So we have 2 pieces left, and one's here, right
Hey,
next
who
to
took the mirror from over here?
and one's here. I don't know.
Rocco! Where's the mirror?
So I want to move this piece down.
Give me the mirror back!
Then I want to move that out of
He doesn't have the mirror.
the way. And then I
There
want
was
to
a mirror and a brush over here. He was over here. Give me the mirror back!
Okay, Sonny.
I want the mirror back. It goes with this. Get the mirror, the one that goes with this.
It's right here.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, your turn.
And then
Thanks.
Look at this.
Okay, Max, look.
I get to go there.
Rocco, look.
no, I'm joking. But we had this piece there. Disappeared on us. Hate that. I'm gonna shift that down. Good. Haven't gotten very far though. Now we want to get this piece somewhere. So I'm gonna shift it up again. And then it's not going to work. So then I've got to shift it again and again. And then I've got to move these out of the way. There's a lot of moving out of the way. And there's one part left. The bus in Atlanta. I'm excited. Boom! I think it's my lucky necklace I just got. It's actually it's someone from my family who's dead. And I don't know who that. I think Nana Raquel. I haven't ever solved a Rubik's Cube with this necklace on, so I wish I could actually solve the damn thing, though. I want to solve it. very bad. I'm sleeping at night, thinking of a Rubik's Cube. Say what? Say what? Sleeping at night. Bless you! Thinking of a Rubik's Cube. Don't want that happening again. We've got one piece left, and we just got to do a lot of shifting. Shifting, just shift all day. If you shift all night, you won't get it
It's moving the lamp.
right. And then that's done. But look, I don't know. It's not gonna really last that long, but. Oh. May have taken me long. Can the frost Atlanta? Can the breeze Atlanta? Oh. But what I did do, so I got pretty far on this blue side. I didn't even do anything. So I guess I'm gonna go for it, but I would leave the video now. No, you wouldn't be watching it. Dave, come check this out. I got the white side done, and now I'm working on the blue. Look how far I've gotten.
That's pretty good.
And I'm just working on it because it's so damn hard.
This is Unibrow Day.
You're popular now, Dave! Dave!
Taking the blue in the Fanta. Oh.
I'm popular now, Rocco said.
Yeah.
My eyebrows are real. His are not. They're fake with an eyebrow pencil. We just went to the Dollar Tree and got some. And I have something to say for you guys. Rubik cubes are so...
Shut the door.
Continue.
The door,
We'll
shut
say it at the same time.
Rubik's Cubes
Are so impossible! Rubik's cubes are so stupid!
Well, they're not stupid. They're tough. They're difficult. They drive you to craziness like this.
My mind exploded.
Does this face look happy? No, it's a Rubik's Cube face.
Taking the clean in the front.
Oh.
Oh.
You have to try.
I bet you can't even get one side done. One side done. Can you get one side done? Because I can't hear it in the voice because I can't. I can get one side done. No, one side only, not two. It's getting worse.
You can.
Drop my stuff to the floor
No!
and be the other person.
No! Jack yourself to
For the blue, if I was going to work on it, kind of to be a
I
little
can tell you.
careful.
If you're trying to get me, I can do this. You have to be like this.
Silly Billy.
So,
Because it's easier for me just to go.
Oh.
you need this. Make sure you do.
Davey! Oh, it messed up.
That's what the Rubik's Cube is designed to do. Mess you up. And it's very effective.
My life no longer makes sense.
Yeah, that's it.
I'm a hobo now. With an Apple Watch.
Gonna drop out of society. Go off the grid.
And get a unibrow like him.
I have a unibrow.
Wow.
Signing off. Your app is supposed to sign us off.
Oh, yeah, right. I'll sign us off. Hang on, let me get it on first. You! Stare at my beauty mastermind awesomeness stuff. You do that while I figure this out. We're upside down, aren't we?
Yes, we are.
Mary!
Oh.
Mary!
Help me get this
I'll
on.
hold it together.
Dave! What does my voice sound like?
Okay, good.
Deep.
Oh, why?
I don't know. Sounds like
You're hungry.
We're gonna sign off.
Look out,
I'm gonna press the button.
Come on, fast!